In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp Automation, Easy 2026 Guide. Automation in ClickUp is one of the fastest ways to clear repetitive work off your plate so you can focus on high-value tasks. Whether you're part of a small team or a large organization, automations help standardize processes, reduce manual updates, and keep everything moving without constant supervision. Under the hood, automations follow a simple if-then structure built from three parts: triggers, conditions, and actions. The trigger is what starts the rule. The condition is an optional filter that tightens when it should run, and the action is what happens as a result. Think of it like this. When a specified event occurs and any criteria are met, then ClickUp performs the task you've defined. Let's jump into the interface together. At the top of your ClickUp screen, look for the lightning bolt icon. That icon is home base for all things automation. Hover over it to reveal the menu. Then click Automate to open the automation dashboard. This is where you'll build, review, and manage rules for the current location, like a space, into, folder, or list. So make sure you're in the right place before you start. We're going to create our first automation from scratch, so you can see exactly how it comes together. Click Create Automation. You'll see categories designed to speed things up. Choose Project Management. From here, pick the option labeled Streamline Task Management by auto-setting key custom fields at task creation, especially popular with forms. This is a great starting point if tasks are coming in from forms, or if you simply want every new task to arrive with consistent defaults. With the template loaded, let's configure the details. Add assignees so new tasks automatically land with the right owner. Assigning at creation eliminates that familiar bottleneck where work sits unclaimed and deadlines slip. Next, set a priority. Click Priority, choose Select a Priority, and set it to High. Consistent priority tagging makes sorting and reporting more reliable, and it helps your team spot urgent items quickly in any view. Now add a helpful description. Click into the description field and write a brief template explaining what the task should include or the first steps to take. Clear descriptions drastically reduce back and forth and make it easier for teammates to move straight into action. When you're happy with the setup, click Create to save the automation. You'll see the builder reflect those three core parts we mentioned earlier. Take a quick look at Trigger to confirm what kicks off the rule. Check Condition if you're using it to narrow scope, and review Action to verify the outcome is exactly what you want. Conditions are optional, and in some workspaces, they're tied to specific plan levels. If they're available to you, they're perfect for ensuring the rule runs only in specific scenarios, like a certain list, tag, or form source. So your processes stay precise, without extra micromanagement. That's your first automation done. It's a small change that creates a big lift in consistency. Every new task arrives with a clear owner, a reliable priority, and guidance in the description. Let's add another automation to reinforce the process and keep new items flowing into the right stage. Click Add Automation. In this rule, we're going to handle status. Click to select a status value, choose To Do, and then set the action to change status. This ensures tasks land in the correct initial state for your workflow, which helps dashboards, workload views, and filters stay accurate. It's a simple, dependable rule that prevents status drift and removes yet another manual habit from your day. While we're here, note that automations can also create tasks for you. For example, when a key milestone changes, you can automatically generate a follow-up task to keep momentum. We won't configure that now, but keep it in mind as your processes mature and you look for ways to reduce handoffs. When your status rule is set, click Create to save it. A quick tip as you build out more rules: keep an eye on overlaps. Two automations trying to update the same field under similar circumstances can cause unnecessary churn. If you ever see unexpected behavior, it helps to review the sequence in which rules could run and tighten conditions where needed. Clear naming conventions and short, purposeful descriptions in your automation titles make future maintenance much easier for everyone on the team. Now let's look at how to monitor performance. In the automation area, click Usage to see how many runs you've used and where you stand for the current period. This is particularly useful if your plan includes a limit on automation runs and you want to prioritize the most impactful rules. For detailed troubleshooting, click Audit Log. The log shows when a rule fired, what triggered it, and what action it executed. If something didn't work as expected, the audit log is your best friend for pinpointing the step that needs attention. At this point, you've seen the full flow. You know where automations live, how to create one from scratch, how to apply a project management template to auto-set fields on task creation, how to assign owners and priorities and add descriptions, how to change status automatically, and how to check both usage and logs. With these basics in place, you can standardize your intake, reduce repetitive clicks, and maintain cleaner boards with less effort. As your workspace grows, expand carefully. Start with the rules that save the most time, validate with a few sample tasks, and then roll out broadly. There's plenty more to explore, from multi-step logic to advanced conditions, but you now have the foundation to start building confidently. If you found this helpful and want to keep leveling up your ClickUp skills, consider subscribing so you don't miss the next round of automation deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.